Hello, my fabulous friend. We are back with another quad workout because evidently the last one just wasn't enough. I really feel like building your legs is the road to the fountain of youth, right? This workout is short and not so sweet, but I promise it packs a freaking punch. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned lifter, this workout is for you. So let's get into it and fire up those pretty quads. Let's go. First things first, we gotta warm up those legs. We're kicking off with a short ski cross warm-up. This dynamic movement gets your blood flowing, activates those pretty quads, and preps your body for the workout ahead. This not only wakes up your quads, but also engages your core and improves your balance. Aim for about 2 to 3 minutes of this and you'll be ready to crush the main workout. And listen, no worries if you don't have access to a ski cross machine. Consider doing squats or anything else that's going to warm up and engage your quads. Our first exercise is step ups. We are doing 3 sets of 10 reps per leg per set. You'll notice I'm using a bar, and this is strictly for balance and stability. This makes sense for me because I'm still working to rebuild strength and mobility in my quads, hips, glutes, and well, all the things. And I really want to do it as safely as possible. To do this exercise, I'm holding onto the bar, planting one foot firmly on the bench, and pushing off the ground with my other foot to complete my first rep. For all subsequent reps, I'm going to step down to the bar that's attached to my bench to make the distance just a little bit shorter, and then I'm going to use my quad to power myself right back up. So my bench is 16 inches tall from the ground to the top of the cushion, and that is a tiny bit out of my range. So stepping down to the bar takes my bench from 16 inches to 13 inches, which, let me tell you, is a huge help. You definitely don't have to do this. You are likely using a bench or a box that is appropriate height for you, but in my case, I just had to make this little modification and it worked like a charm. So as you step up, make sure you focus on engaging your quad. The slow, controlled movement is definitely where the magic happens. This exercise not only builds quad strength, but also improves balance and functional fitness. Start with a lower step up and increase the height if you have access to other benches or boxes. Remember, form over ego. Quality reps build quality muscle. Next up, the king of leg exercises, the back squat. We are aiming for 3 sets of 10 reps per set. Again, we're focusing on slow, controlled movements, time under tension, you know the drill. So I've mentioned in other videos that I'm working to improve my squat and make it nice and pretty again. One of the ways I'm doing that is by utilizing my bench to help me determine how far down I could or should go. With the bar on my upper back, I'm lowering down into a squat and meeting the bench with the back of my thigh ever so briefly. It's a tap and go situation, if you will. As I lower down to touch the bench, I'm focused on keeping my weight in my heels and my knees tracking over my toes. As soon as I feel a contact with the bench, I'm rising back up using the power of my quads and glutes to propel me. If your squat is good and on point, you absolutely don't have to do this. I just need the extra help right now while I work to rebuild my squat. So this helps me. It's like a little safety net, if you will. Start lighter and increase the weight with each set if you're able to. And make sure you keep your core nice and tight, your chest up, and remember, depth is your friend, but only go as low as your form allows. Comment down below and let me know if you'd like me to do a dedicated video on squats, trouble areas, and how to improve them. I'm working on my depth and chest position, so trust me when I say I understand your pain, my friend. Last but definitely not least, we're working on our squats with squats to bench. This one is a burner. No sets or reps here. We're just going until failure, meaning we're going to go and go and go until we just can't go anymore. The bench ensures that you hit the same depth each time, keeping your form on point. As you lower down to touch the bench, focus on keeping your weight in your heels and your knees tracking over your toes. For this movement, I'm squatting down to a full sitting position, pausing for a moment, and then driving through my heels to stand back up. This exercise is fantastic for building endurance in your quads and reinforcing proper squat form. Remember, slow and controlled. Feel that burn, baby. Throughout the entire workout, just remember you want to be methodical with your movements. It is controlled movements with gradual increases to the challenge. Listen to your body, stay hydrated, and don't forget to fuel up with some protein after this session. And there you have it, my beautiful friend. A low-impact, high-results quad workout that'll have you building serious leg strength and muscle. So my legs were on fire during this workout and started feeling pretty sore as soon as this workout was over. I am telling you, this leg workout is a burner. If you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you click that notification bell because all of that really supports my channel and it means the world to me. I will see you next time.